Hello kids, welcome to Infinity Kids Fun channel. Today we are going to make ladybugs using the construction paper. Before we start, let's learn the body parts of ladybug. Ladybug have black body consisting of head, eyes, antenna, legs, wings, and wings are covered with elytra and they are filled with black spots. To make this, we need red, black, blue sheets, scissors, glue and pencil. Let's start by making the body of the bug. Today I am going to make two bugs, so let's fold the sheet into two equal parts and let's draw the ladybug on the sheet. Once done, let's cut and keep the body part aside. Now to make the elytra or the wing cover, let us use the red sheet. Fold it into two equal parts and trace using the body part which we have already cut. Make sure that while cutting the elytra, you cut with a gap of 0.5 centimeter. When we make the 3D shape, it fits the body. Now to make the 3D shape, cut in the four corners. And stick them by overlapping 0.1 centimeter. When you glue, make sure that you glue all the sides in the same direction, front to back or back to front. So now look, we got a 3D shape. Let's do the same with the next one. If we overlap more than 0.1 centimeter, if we overlap more, then the shape will be a mess. We will not get the round shape. So I'll show you the difference. This is done by overlapping 0.1 centimeter. The left one is made by overlapping more than 0.1 centimeter. So now we have both the elytra ready. Let's cut at the bottom so that we can insert the wing on that part. To make the wings, let's take the blue sheets, fold it into 4 and draw the wing shape. Draw a small extension so that we can attach these wings to the elytra. So we are going to fix this wing to elytra by folding the extension that I have drawn. So we are going to fix it like this. Let's glue it on the extension part and fix it to the elytra. So now we have our wings ready. We are going to attach this to the body. Now it's time to draw the spots. I'm going to draw few white spots so the bug looks very realistic. Now I have the black spots and the white spots ready. We are going to stick this on the bug one by one. Now we have our bugs ready. It looks very realistic and very beautiful. Kids, please do try this at home and comment it below. Please subscribe for my channel and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.